Welcome! Today we're being inspired by the love of ponies. We're going to begin by drawing the muzzle, so it's an oval. As you can see by the picture on the left, I've really simplified it. And then a little bit in from the edge, we're going to go up for the head, and I'm curving in a little bit where we're going to place the ears. So I'm going to the other side, not out all the way as wide as the muzzle, but almost as wide. And then we're going to put the small ears at the top. And I start with the inside edge of the ear, and it's a gentle curve. And then the outside edge of the ear is a gentle curve, but go up past the inside edge, and that's going to allow you to put that little gentle curve for the hook on the top of the ears of the pony. And then I chose to put the eyes out wide because horses' eyes are out on the side of the head, but you could do more cartoonish and put them closer together. And if you aren't able to leave that little highlight of the white of the paper, you can go back in and put that little reflection, but I chose to do it for speed this way. I just left a little white and add any kind of facial marking you want. And now I'm going to come and put in the forelock. I had this one make like the letter A, so it's going out to both sides of the little diamond. And I'm just going to gently put a little triangle shape inside the ears. And the nostrils, it's like a number 6 and a backwards 6, but not perfect looking, right? Because they move. So, but we're filling it in and making them a little bit off because they do move. Now we want a fat little pony, so I'm starting about halfway down the muzzle and making a curved line around each side, right? There's his belly. And I'm trying to show now I'm coming out from underneath the edge of the muzzle and then from the nostril to draw the first part of the 2 front legs that we can see. And then that's the belly connecting them underneath. And then they have rather large joints, so I'm going to add those knees, but just like you're making parentheses on each side and trying to keep them about the same, but it's a cute little pony sketch or drawing. And then this is our next little part of the leg that's going to be coming down, and then I'm going to flare out where I'm going to the hoof. So gentle little flares out. We want to keep these even. A gentle line, that's the top of the hoof, trying to keep them even on both sides, and then it's almost straight down. It's flaring out a tiny amount on each of the front feet, and then I'm going to connect with that same little curve as above for them to match as parallel lines. Now to make the back legs, I'm really following along next to the front leg to be about the same, but it's higher because it's farther away, right? I'm making it look a little higher. That foot ends higher, and adding that second one again, curving. So I'm making the joints and the little bump of the foot, but that foot is just a little bit farther away, so it's looking higher up on the page. And you can place your tail as much as you want on either side, having some curves. And then I'm just going to act like he's flicking his tail with some action lines. And this is a little bit of mane for our fuzzy pony. And we'll just finish him off with a little tiny heart. And I've added a little highlight down the feet so you can see when I add color. And add the colors to make your pony whatever colors you want. Every pony has a unique personality. Embrace their quirks and let your creativity shine as you bring your own special pony to life.